Today we will see what is the formula for Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation and why Karl Pearson introduced his concept regarding the calculation of coefficient of correlation. As we know, scatter diagram method of correlation merely indicates the direction of correlation. जो स्कैटर डायग्राम्स का मेथड है दैट merely indicates the direction of correlation, सिर्फ डायरेक्शन दिखाई मतलब डायरेक्शन पे इसका ज़्यादा असर है, डायरेक्शन ये दिखाता है, बट नॉट इट इज प्रिसाइज मैग्नीट्यूड, जो इसका असल नतीजा है वो नहीं दिखाता है. Karl Pearson has given a quantitative method of calculating correlation. Scatter diagram just indicates the direction, while as it does not give any precise magnitude regarding the coefficient of correlation. As afterwards, Karl Pearson has given a quantitative method of calculating what we call as coefficient of correlation. It is an important and widely used method of studying correlation. Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation is generally written as small r. Now we will write Karl Pearson has given a quantitative method regarding calculation of coefficient of correlation. It is an important method used in studying correlation. Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation is generally denoted by small r. This was introduced because scatter diagrams merely indicated the direction of correlation. And they didn't give any precise magnitude. Now we will see the formula given by Karl Pearson. According to Carl Pearson's method, the coefficient of correlation is measured as formula is R is equal to summation of xy divided by n standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y. कार्ल पियर्सन ने जो फार्मूला अपने कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कोरिलेशन के लिए इकोनॉमिक्स को दे दी, वो एक आर है. आर जो है इट इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू समेशन ऑफ एक्स वाई. Summation of xy divided by n and standard deviation of x. When summation of xy is divided by n into summation of standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y, we get what we call as Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. यहाँ पर r जो है it is coefficient of correlation. Number 1. Number 2, x is equal to x minus x bar, y is equal to y minus y bar. This is simply deviation, and sigma x is equal to standard deviation of x while as sigma y is equal to standard deviation of y. n का जो ताल्लुक है it is number of observations. So this is how we find out coefficient of correlation through Carl Pearson's method. He has given the formula R is equal to summation of x divided by summation of xy divided by n into standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. This is when we calculate mean of x and mean of y. When we assume any average, then formula is equal to summation of xy divided by root of summation of x square into summation of y square. तो ये assumed average के लिए है. This formula is for assumed average, and this is for when we purely calculate arithmetic mean. Then formula what we have to use is R is equal to x summation of xy divided by n into summation standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. When we assume averages, then formula takes this position. Tomorrow we will see its calculation. Thanks.